First one is gonna be flight ticket in Spanish. So the standard form for this would be tiquete aéreo. But this is not how people call it. For instance, in Spain, people would say billete, billete. In Mexico, they call it boleto. And in South America, in most countries, it's called pasaje, pasaje. I need a flight ticket to Barcelona. Necesito un pasaje para Barcelona. Let's see, for instance, the word bus, alright? So, in Spain, it's gonna be autobús. In Mexico, informally, they call it camión. So, I'm gonna take a bus in Mexico. It's gonna sound like voy a tomar un camión. In Argentina, they call it colectivo. In Chile, micro. And in the islands like Cuba, Dominican Republic, they call it guagua, la guagua. So for car, it's gonna be the same thing. In Spain, they're gonna say el coche. So I'm going to rent a car. It's gonna sound like voy a alquilar un coche. In Latin America, the most common word is carro. Although in Mexico they use coche sometimes, it depends, but carro is very, very popular in all Latin America, except for the southern countries of South America like Argentina, Uruguay, Chile, Bolivia. They call it auto. I'm going by car is gonna sound like me voy en auto.